We Buy Any Car Auto Sales Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think selling a car privately is quick and profitable, but We Buy Any Car simplifies the process, offering speed and convenience in exchange for market pricing. We Buy Any Car is an online platform where users can get instant quotes for their vehicles, book an appraisal, and sell quickly without haggling with buyers. One standout feature is the instant online valuation tool, which uses market data to provide a fair estimate in minutes. Most people get this wrong. They assume private sales always yield more money. The surprising truth is convenience comes at a cost. We Buy Any Car prioritizes speed and ease, so quotes may be slightly lower than what you could achieve selling privately, but you save time, avoid negotiations, and reduce risk. Another advantage is transparency. After receiving your quote, you can book an appointment at a local branch, complete paperwork, and receive payment quickly. The platform is widely used in the UK, making it accessible and reliable for many sellers. However, there are considerations. Cars with unusual specifications or modifications may get lower quotes. Timing also matters. Market fluctuations can affect the value, so sellers should monitor trends for the best outcome. In conclusion, We Buy Any Car is ideal for car owners who value speed, simplicity, and hassle-free transactions over maximum profit. It's a practical solution for selling vehicles without the stress of private sales. Subscribe for more honest auto sales reviews before making your next car transaction.